Concentric is an XO communications service and was launched in 1997. It is also the first and only service to hold a patent for its clustered hosting platform, which currently hosts over 200,000 domains today. Barbara Branaman, the VP and General Manager of Hosting at XO Communications, joins us in studio today to give us some insight into the company's happenings. Hi Barbara, thanks for coming in.
Thank you. It's really wonderful to be here.
So, can you give me some kind of background on how the company began and what you do today?
Sure, absolutely. XO Communications is a national, local provider of telecommunications services to small to medium enterprises, and I run the hosting business unit. We came originally from Concentric Network, which was a data ISP. We merged with a CLEC called NextLink and became XO in 2000. And since then, we've been XO Communications, and we've been a complementary business to their access business as a hosting business unit.
Back in August, XO partnered with Nexl to add managed services to XO's line of managed hosting solutions. How has that been going?
Very well. Nexl's been a great partner for us. We decided, our core competency is really focusing on the services that we deliver to SMBs via our shared platform, which is patented and which is really where we are focusing our development. In the managed services area, which is more infrastructure and data center based, it made sense for us to go with a managed service provider such as Nexl to be able to offer our customers lots of options in terms of the kind of monitoring and management they can do for their applications.
Has customer demand for managed services been as strong as you expected?
It's pretty consistent. I mean, one of the reasons why we did the Nexl deal was we had a consistent request for that, over the months and years from our customer base. And some of it we did ourselves, some of it we partnered with various MSPs, and we found that Nexl was one that we were able to work well with and provide our customers with a smooth user experience, which is really important when you've got more than one company providing services to the customer.
What initiatives is XO undertaking now in order to accommodate industry growth in the upcoming years?
And that's, of course, the $64,000 question. And I think, there's a couple things. One is how you add value to your customers, and the other is what kind of channels you use. And so from a value standpoint, we're looking at the new applications, some of which I alluded to here and mentioned, and new tools. And so there's, upsell potential for our existing customers as well as moving out of the commoditized hosting space really more into the services space. We've actually partnered with a company called WebImage to be able to deliver to our customers e-commerce and website design services as well as search engine optimization and directory listing services to make their business more productive. So giving ways for our customers to help their customers and to drive more traffic to their websites. The other area is really in channels, and we sell direct, as you know, through both the XO and the Concentric brands. We also sell via big resellers such as Microsoft and XO, where we're bundled with other products. At XO, we're bundled with all their internet access and voice products. And that's sort of the bigger private label reseller kind of business. And then there's the in-between, the agents, the commissioned agents, and the referral business that we get, and we've just actually made some announcements in that area. I don't know if you saw that press release, but we have, from a commissioned agent standpoint, what we've seen is the most lucrative payouts in the industry, between 10 and 35% of monthly recurring for bringing us. It's free to sign up and for bringing us business under that program.
Great. Thanks for taking the time to join us today, Barbara.
Thank you. My pleasure.